ରମ୍ୟା ସାର୍ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗେଷ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ସେଇଟା ନେଇ ପଳେଇଛନ୍ତି।
A very good morning to one and all present over here.
In the right light, at the right time, everything is extraordinary. On this auspicious note, let us all fold our hands to Vignahatta and seek his blessings. I would request all the dignitaries to kindly light the lamp. ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणास्वत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनं प्रणो देवीर्सरस्वती वाजेर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टभागं सस्तनुभिः वशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्वनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यां परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहिषां गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम्. All our esteemed dignitaries to grace their seats. The Vedic chanting by Prishita Parida ma'am, TGT English, indeed purified the atmosphere as well as our heart and soul. Thank you, Prishita ma'am.
In the words of Maria Montessori, do not tell them how to do it and do not say a word. If you tell them, they will watch your lips move. If you show them, they will want to do it themselves. On this note, I, Zankana Anand, TGT CSPD,
and I, Ankita Dash, TTT Geography, welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of Atal Tinkering Lab of VJEMS 2. The modern teaching learning process aims at the holistic approach. Learning with technology is the new age education mantra. Today, 1st November 2021, let us all mark it as one of the most memorable day in BJEM2 calendar as we all have gathered here for the inaugural ceremony of Atal Tinkering Lab.
ATL refers to space where children can experiment, learn, develop, and conceptualize different scientific ideas. Here at the lab, creativity and innovations take a new path. The students can practically experiment with knowledge and try to restructure the theories learnt in the class.
ATL is one of the flagship schemes proposed under the Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog. The main idea behind setting up of ATL is encouraging young minds to understand STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics concepts, and practically and creatively using the tools and equipments. We are honored to organize the inaugural ceremony of ATL in our school.
It is an absolute privilege and huge pride that today we have amongst us our chief guest, Sri Ashok Chandra Panda. He is the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Public Enterprise, Social Security and Empowerment of People with Disability, Government of Odisha. We welcome you, sir. We also warmly welcome our very respected head of the BJMS2 family, under whom we have thrived and prospered manifold. He is none other than our chairman, Sir Sri Raghunath Mishra. We are extremely delighted to welcome an inspirational persona who is the backbone of our family, our manager, Sir Sri Pratap Kumar Jana. We also proudly welcome the heart and soul of our school, Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Khanika Das. We also welcome the ATL coordinator, Ms. Subhashri Panda. We warmly welcome all the senior SMC members. We are extremely privileged to have with us Principal Ma'am of BJMS 1, Ms. Sandhya Jaina, and Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Pallavi Mahapatra. We welcome you, ma'am. Today we have with us Mr. Devi Prasanna Acharya from the ATL Advisory Committee. We also proudly welcome young entrepreneurs, Mr. Tanmay Kumar Jaina, proprietor of Wishes and Wonders and Event Management Company. We welcome you, sir. We also welcome our academic supervisors, our wonderful teachers, loving students, and the entire BJEMS2 fraternity. We heartily and proudly welcome you all.
Now, I would request our dear children to give away the symbol of love and respect to our esteemed guests. I would like to glorify this fact that the batch has been developed in the Atal Tinkering Lab of our school, and we are extremely proud of our achievement. Thank you, dear children. A song can bring the greatest joy and create memories forever. Having said this, let us welcome Kanchan ma'am and Alok sir with their troupe for a melodious rendition. हर दिन नया कुछ कर सके धरती के आगोश में जो है नया वो मिल सके जो है नया वो मिल सके जो है नया वो मिल सके हम सबकी ये शुभकामना विज्ञान अब आगे बढ़े हर दिन नया होता रहे विज्ञान यूं बढ़ता 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 रहे
विज्ञान बढ़ता रहे।
Wow, that was really mesmerizing. The participants of this musical choir were our wonderful teachers, Ms. Sri Devi Padi, Ms. Karishma Pati, Mrs. Namita Patel, Mrs. Rashmita Swai, Ms. Prasita Parida, and Mrs. Tejaswini Acharya. And this wonderful song on the theme of science was written by our none other than creative, talented teacher, Mrs. Sangeeta Sharma, TGT Hindi, and composed by Kanchan ma'am and Alok sir. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Now I would request our principal ma'am to address the gathering.
In fact, Vigyan Badhta Rahe, it is really a beautiful song. I would just like to add the intelligent use of science and technology are the tools which help us to move in a new direction. And today we are all assembled over here for that new direction. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My hearty welcome to all of you to the welcome ceremony or the inaugural ceremony of Atal Tinkering Lab. We are privileged and honored to have our chief guest, Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Public Enterprise, Social Security, Empowerment of the People with Disability, Government of Odisha. He is none other than Sri Ashok Chandra Panda. Along with him, I repeat, he is none other than Ashok Chandra Panda. He has been serving the society relentlessly. His effortless service to the society is really inspiring. Sir, you have, despite your busy schedule, you have spared some time for us. You have graced the occasion. For that, we are thankful to you. Your presence over here is a blessing for all of us. Apart from him, we also have amongst us our Honorable Chairman, Sri Raghunath Mishra, esteemed Manager, Sri Pratap Kumar Jena. Of the dais, we have the members of the SMC, School Managing Committee, Principal of BGM1, Vice Principal of BGM1, and the Advisory Committee of Atal Tinkering Lab, and of course, last not the least, the in-charge, Ms. Subhashri Panda, who is on the dais. We also have with us all my colleagues, my dear students, and students from other schools. We have almost 10 schools. It is only because to maintain the COVID protocol, we have minimized the number. So you should not take it otherwise, because we got a lot of requests from other schools to add the, to increase the number, but we had to maintain that. That's why the number is limited. Before I begin, I'll just give a brief description about the school for the people who are visiting, the students who are visiting our school for the first time. Established in 2006, the school is steadily climbing the ladder of success step by step. The result, the board exam result is always 100%, starting from the very first year of when the students appeared the CBSE board exam till date. We have not had any single failure. They are not only academically excellent, we have also excelled in the field of science, art, dance, literature, state level, national level. And this is possible only because we have a very good set of dedicated teachers and a very supportive management who has been constantly providing us with all kinds of infrastructural development, and the brightest example is this ATL or the Atal Tinkering Lab. What is Atal Tinkering Lab? Named after late Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, it is a tinkering lab. Tinkering means it is a place where the unskilled students or people will innovate, will experiment. So just think about the past when, let us talk about Einstein or all the scientists who have invented things, but with lot of struggle. They were opposed. They didn't have space to experiment. They didn't get the right mentor. But you people are lucky. Dear students, you are lucky that you are being provided with such platforms. Of course, physics, chemistry, biology, chemistry lab, English lab, everything is there. But Atal is something different. In the classroom, when you sit and listen to the teachers, many small ideas come and you ignore it. But these are your dreams. Who knows, and Albert Einstein is sitting there or Thomas Alva Edison is sitting here, I don't know. But unless and until you get a scope, a platform to experiment, to mingle with the instruments that are there in the Atal Lab. Those who have visited the Atal Lab, I have visited the Atal Lab, and I am really fascinated by 2-3, I can't call them machines or tools, whatever, but they are really inspiring. I feel like going and doing it because in my childhood I didn't get such an experience to mingle with. You are free to turn your dreams into reality in this lab. So my best wishes to all, because again I read somewhere, technology brings people together. It may be regarding the entire world coming to one point, but here what I felt within these 15 days, all of us have worked together, and till yesterday, till today morning, the energy, the enthusiasm that all the people sowed in this school is really praiseworthy. I am thankful to all of you, and it is all because Madam is taking a lot of effort, and it is a joint effort. That is why my best wishes for all of you. Let this Vigyan Badhta Rahe, what they sang, and let the Atal Tinkering Lab come out with flying colors. Let us have more number of innovators over here. Thank you so much. God bless you.
And inspiring words.
Who you are tomorrow begins with what you do today. Having said this, now I would like to invite our ATL coordinator, Ms. Subhashri Panda, to read out the journey of achievements till now. Ma'am, please.
Thank you. Ashok Chandra Panda, esteemed Chairman Sir, Sri Raghunath Mishra, respected Manager, Sri Pratap Kumar Jaina, respected Principal, Mrs. Khanika Das, and all the senior SMC members and the advisory committee members. BJM2 Satyavamapur gave the new birth to the creativity in the scientific field as the form of Atal Tinkering Lab. In the year 2019, it was really a gem added to the story with Niti Aayog and Atal Innovation Mission AIMS, who gave grant to BJM School Atal. And here the story begins. BJM has enrolled for Adobe Education Exchange and has cleared both the level 1 and 2 by receiving level 1 and 2 certified batch, and our school is henceforth recognized as an Adobe certified school. TechBee has conducted national level app innovation workshop followed by contest at national level in which Divyanshu Panda of Standard 6 has developed a whiteboard app and was placed at 6th position, whereas Ayush Pradhan of Standard 7 has developed Corona Striker and was placed at 8th position. BGMS 2 Satyabamapur is again recognized as a Cyber Smart School by Niti Aayog AIMS in partnership with WNS Cares Foundation, where around 1,300 students from multiple grades have been participated and successfully completed the cyber security workshop. In the summer 2021, AIM initiated Atal Thinkerpreneurship. The boot camp envisioned to enable students to create their own digital venture by building a strong foundational understanding of business models, marketing, and finance. During the 9th week of boot camp, students created a digital product, designed a business model, created a brand around their product, understood revenues and profits, built an online store to sell their product, designed marketing campaigns, and finally learned how to pitch their venture to investors and customers. A team of 3 students named Anvesha Kar, Swayam Sahaya, and Subhasmita Maharana under the mentorship of Ms. Subhashri Panda were shortlisted by the district mentor and have developed the project model digitally. Again, Niti Aayog for ATL Marathon 2020. Out of 30 projects, only 11 projects were selected under the mentorship of Ms. Adyasha Satpathy, 2 projects, Mrs. Namita Patel, 1 project, Ms. Shridevi Padhi, 2 projects, and Ms. Subhashri Panda, 7 projects. In the KidX All-Round National Championship 2021 summer session, these students were selected among top 50 students nationwide for their innovative and creative work. Purbi Satpathy was awarded with a START certificate with 7 trophies and 9 medals. Jasasvi Sao was awarded with a START certificate with 7 trophies and 5 medals. Subhasmita Maharana was awarded with a Prime certificate with 3 trophies and 5 medals. Ankit Panda was awarded with a Prime certificate with 3 trophies and 4 medals. Pratyasha Priyadarshini Sahu was awarded with a Prime certificate with 3 trophies and 4 medals. Omkar Panda was awarded with a Prime certificate with 4 trophies and 4 medals. Jigyansa Rath was awarded with a Prime certificate with 3 trophies and 4 medals. Ishita Mahapatra was awarded with a Prime certificate with 4 trophies and 5 medals. Ayushi Mahanti was awarded with a Prime certificate with 3 trophies and 4 medals. Yashashwini was awarded with a Prime certificate with 2 trophies and 4 medals. BJMS2 has received the placement of 100 National School titled by KidX NAC National All-Rounder Championship 2021 based on our students' creative and innovative work. BJMS2 has also been entitled as the ATL of the month consecutively for 2 months, April and May, based on our school's activity, involvement in multiple webinars, online training, and developmental workshop and model. Along with the above achievement, BJMS2 was also a part of the following activities. ATL Community Day was celebrated from 14th of April to 16th of April, where students from grade 6 to 8 have participated in the 3-day workshop, followed by hackathon, which was again organized by an alumni of BGM School 2, headed by Ms. Dibyanshika Biswal. Unbox Tinkering is one of its kind workshop for teachers from ATL school across the country. ATL in charge went through Unbox Tinkering, whose objective is to provide an insight into the ATL's, the importance, philosophy, effort behind the whole program, along with providing real-time access to teach expert and mentors who take the audience through a series of learning and doing sessions. Students from lower nursery to grade 6 have enrolled for Matific Junior Mathematics Championship, a friendly math competition that had provided a great opportunity for children to practice maths, boost confidence, and develop growth mindset in the subject. Students have participated under the supervision of our mathematics supervisor, Dr. Manoranjan Bej. You've Integrated is an association with Kids Education, has organized a masterclass series based on innovation and entrepreneurship development program specially designed for educators. Yuva Incubated, in association with again Kids Education, has organized a national webinar on an occasion of World Entrepreneurship Day. Students of grade 6 to 8 were a part of Junior Skill Championship and had showcased their talent and gained international exposure by bringing NSDC in collaboration with CBSE. Our student had also taken part in 5-day workshop based on usefulness of remote sensing and GIS for environmental studies organized by ISRO. In our whole long journey of 2 years, we have got a lot of aspiration and we are at the peak to achieve highest level of spectrum of education. Thank you.
Now I would like to request our manager, sir, to inspire us with his motivational words.
Good morning, all of you. We have our esteemed chief guest, a dynamic leader of Odisha, Honorable Minister Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, who, divulging from his profession, has accepted service to mankind as his mission. And I have been seeing him for last 12, 13 years. For him, there is no time, you can say morning, lunch, afternoon or evening or night. I have even called him at 2 a.m. on several occasions. 2 a.m., 2:30 a.m. like that. And he instantly, though didn't receive the call, but 2 minutes after, he gives a call back. That is what is Ashok Bhaina. We are grateful to you, Bhaina. You have come by chance and you have created history. You are going to create history. We are all proud of you. I was always searching for an occasion because, you know, inviting anybody to any occasion is different. Inviting a befitting person to a befitting purpose is different. So, you see, today he is the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology and we are going to inaugurate our science lab. Okay, how befitting the person as guest to the cause is. We are grateful to you. I welcome you on behalf of the BGM School 2, Bhaina. We have our esteemed Chairman, Sir, Sri Raghunath Mishra, you know, he is 85 plus. Again, every moment, we all of us draw inspiration from him. Never saying no to any war. Chairman of both the schools. Any meeting, at any time, any discussion, anything. Never says no and appears before time. Madam Principal, you know, Madam Khanika Das has been the principal since the inception of the school. And Madam Subhasri, the in charge of this ATL. We have Principal Madam Sandhya Jana, Principal of BGM School. She is again another inspiring lady. Respected members of school management, respected mentors, advisors of our this ATL lab, dear students, teachers and friends. It's a our samasthya pe garbara vishaya. Because you know, to have ATL, Atal Tinkering Lab, is not an easy task. Those who are fortunate, they get. Having so many, fulfilling so many criteria, you will be considered, your school will be considered for this lab. So we have been considered by Government of India. Money has been sanctioned with the effort of principal and all the teachers. It has come up on time, in the time, as per the time schedule. So, they have already narrated what is the purpose of this ATL. So, before that, I want to briefly mention about the school, because you know, Bhaina should know. It's a Bhaina, in the year 2006, this school came into existence. There is a lot of demand in BGM school. Even today there is demand for third school. We have everything except little bit of what, who will do, where the manpower, who will build the cat, like that. So, keeping that demand in view, in 2006, we, the society members, decided, let us take a risk. Because you know, you have to take risk. Dear students, you should remember, if you live an ordinary life, you can never go to the top. You will be an ordinary person. Just खाइबा पीवा बंचिया चाकरीटे करके रिटायर करिया घरे बसिया टीवी देखिबा. No. God has not created the most intelligent mammal on this earth to live a life like that. Take a risk. Be creative. Create values for others, not for yourself. Animals live for themselves. You know, खाइबी बंचिबी पुणी 7 दिन पर आउट शिकार करिबी. But man lives always for others. So if you define man, pages will go. Not easy. It is not easy to define a man. Define man means you have to go beyond everything. So what we see is not a man. It is a biological product. But what inside is somebody. What somebody thinks, that proves whether he is a man or animal or average man. So my appeal to all of you is, and particularly BGM School 1 and 2, they are different from others. They are not business doing organizations. No profit, nothing. Sir, at this age, we don't even take 1 rupee sitting allowance. Nothing. No member in the society. Society comprising half a dozen of ex-chief secretaries, professors, professionals, teachers. Nobody takes 1 rupee even from the school towards sitting allowance. But they love working for the school. And other schools, you know, in the city, they run after profit, business, private limited companies. So we are different from that. So BGM School 2 came into existence in 2006, and the first batch appeared, class 10, in 2016. Only one thing I'll tell you, 56 students appeared, all got 60% above, 19 got 10 CGPA. 19 got 10 CGPA out of 56 in the first year. It's a record. No school, even BGM School, had to struggle for 20 years to have 100% pass out. To achieve 100% pass out, BGM School struggled from first batch 84 till 2000. And in the first year, this school attained 100% pass out with 10 CGPA, 90% above, out of 56. And every year there is increase, there is improvement, there is addition to that. So this is what is BGM School. Credit goes to Madam Principal, all the brilliant teachers. Because of paucity of space, they are not sitting here because, you know, again you have to follow the COVID norms. So they are brilliant teachers, young teachers. With their effort only, we have been able to achieve this in such a short span of time. A record-making achievement. Then let's come to this lab. We have evolved, before that, before coming to lab, we have evolved a system of science club. What is club? Because, you know, science is different. You cannot read science in the classroom just like literature. There is a king named Rama and son of Dasharatha. No, it's not like that. It needs experiment. Science needs thinking. Experiment means we need a lab. Okay. So we have a science club taken care of by brilliant teachers, group of teachers. They invite students from different classes, even from lower classes, and they have their session after the school hour, or maybe in interval hours. And they go beyond the normal courses, normal syllabus. Because, you know, everybody cannot think in the same line. To think also there needed reasoning power, brain power, understanding power, everything is needed. Everything is, everybody may not be able to cope that. So the science teachers, they pick and choose, they select students on the basis of different tests, on the basis of performance of students, and the club functions. And the name of list of awardees, what we have heard today, this is the effort of our combined effort of teachers in the science club. COVID has created the barrier since March 2019. COVID. 2019, March 2019. So, 2 वर्ष ହେଲା, yes, 2 वर्ष ହେଲା. 2019 March, we have not been able to organize programs in the science club. Everything what they do online. So then ATL. I'll give a small example. Because there have been so many explorations, inventions coming out just by chance. Newton sitting in the in his orchard found an apple, fell. Found the apple falling. He thought, why? Why the apple is not going up? Why it is falling? This is science. He went on thinking on this. Experiments in the lab, everything. Then he came out with the theory that there is gravitation. The gravitational pull pulls the apple down. George Stephenson, invented what? George Stephenson. He invented what? Steam engine. Do you know the background? Stephenson was born in a very poor family. Father was a laborer in a colliery. In a coal mine, he was a laborer. Mother said, Stephen, you watch, the rice is on the oven, you just watch. I'm going for some other work. Stephen was watching. After, when the water is boiling when we boil rice, there is the fire below the pot. At some time you will watch, first steam will come out, then the lid will jump. I have watched, when I was a child, I have watched this. I used to enjoy. So lid will jump. So Stephen became curious. After some time, he put his finger on the lid, trying to keep it down. After some time, maybe a few minutes after, the lid went off. Breaking the finger's pressure went off. Then he started thinking, why? What is that force? Where from it came that overpowered my power, my pressure, and made the lid off? That you have to think, you have to practice in the lab. This science, technology, engineering, and math. All these 4 factors combinedly will give you the scope to experiment the ideas you think like this. You have to think. Unless you think, you can never be a scientist. You can go for literature. So, lab will give you lot of opportunities. Our Odia medium school ପିଲାମାନେ ବି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. This is open for all. ତାର ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ କରାଯିବ, schedule କରାଯିବ, କେଉଁ ସ୍କୁଲ ଆସିବେ, ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବେ, କ'ଣ ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇବେ, ଏଇଟା କରାଯାଇନି, ଆମେ ବାନ୍ଧିଦେବୁ ଥୋଇଦେବୁ ଖାଲି ଜଷ୍ଟ showcase. The school has ATL, no. If any idea हो বা any product हो, ତାକୁ ଆପଣ conceal କରିଦେବେ ନା, useless. Another thing I'm telling you, you should know. Similar project, Government of Odisha, brilliant project, noble idea, Government of Odisha, Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik has thought of. Transformation of schools. My school, even Bhainako School, BM High School. We have been proud and privileged being enlisted in that group. Transformation. Rupantikarana. Complete change. Those who come by bus from Badgarh side, please watch. It is visible. You see the playground. That color is NML or something. Something new color. They call it British NML or something color like that. Yeah. From the Badgarh Chowk up to Brit, you'll see different color boundary wall, different building. From the gate you can see the pathway, garden. Inside, if you go inside, you'll see there is no cemented floor. It's a 100-year-old school. Bhainaka school is older than that. BM High School was the first school in Bhunsho. So mine is 100 years old school. No cement floor you will find. Toilet, classroom. Classes have been provided with smart board. Doors have been changed. No ordinary door. All high class, 5-star class doors, windows. I tell you one thing, is the truth, unpalatable. After independence, if any sector has been affected the maximum, that is education. That is education. If anything has been spoiled the maximum, that is education. जो मैंने से समय पास आउट से मैंने चढ़ई नेले आमे आमको चढ़ई पारनु the pass outs of those days they were able to manage country and we are failed to manage our families. Difference in education. So we honestly we thank our honorable chief minister. What a noble idea. The schools must be transformed. There should not be demand only for private schools, should be demand for government schools. And also in my school. So this is what is transformation. We have to work for education. If education survives, society will survive. So that is what is the purpose of quality education. So I thank भाईना आपन को आपन आसी जोग देके हमको उत्साहित करछन मु ई सुजोग को अपेक्षा करछि आपन खुशी हेबे आमे 5 एकर जगह किनिथिलु in 2006 we purchased 5 acres of land for 40 lakhs including all costs registration mutation conversion everything and then it was only a paddy field when we laid the foundation here HN Sahu thile chetro chairman amaro former CCF आमे आंठू पर्यंत पैंट टेकी आसलु ए पानी भितर नड़िया बाड़ी शुभ देकी जाइलु एवं वर्तमान एठी पर एकर इज 5 crores आम स्कूल फ्रंट रे जस्ट अपोजिट रे 5 एकर जगह से जो हॉस्पिटल सम हॉस्पिटल वाला किनले एकर होची 5 crores एटलिस्ट 4 crores सो स्कूल जतबे डीएवी पोखरीपुट आसिला से एरिया रे कई नौ थे डुप्ले घर भड़ा भी रहनु खाली पड़ूला द मूमेंट पोखरीपुट डीएवी केम अप स्कूल आई डोंट नेम देन केम सेंट्रल स्कूल भाईनाकर पूर्ण अवदान सेंट्रल स्कूल 10 फुट 12 फुट गाड़ा पोता है कि सेंट्रल स्कूल कर सब बड़े स्कूल एजुकेशन सिस्टम डेवलप करे सिटी को सो टुडे यू सी टाउनशिप ऑल अराउंड डुप्ले अपार्टमेंट्स प्राइवेट हाउसेस thousands. So we are that way, we take the credit that BJ Education Society has been instrumental in developing a township beyond the river, across the river. So on this day, I congratulate Madam Principal that you are fortunate to have it first. Madam Principal School 1 will be the next. That they are also in the process. Their inauguration will be done maybe a month or two after. So, congratulations all the teachers, all the students, make use of that. Make use of that. Keeping something in position is any ordinary man's job. But make best use of that, you know the difference between knife in the hands of a doctor, knife in the hands of a thief. So, let this ATL be productive. You go inside, be with your innovative ideas, make projects, think over that. Why this? Science always says why. Why? Don't accept anything what the teacher says. Why? Then you will go inside, deep inside, and you can find out what is the reality. So I'm very proud. I'm very proud today that this is addition of a bright feather to our school, Vision School 2. Congratulations to Madam Principal, to all of you. Thanks. Thanks all of you.
Now I would request our respected Chairman, Sir, Sri Raghunath Mishra, to address and bless the gathering. Please, sir.
Very good afternoon to everybody. It's a very proud moment for the school. I am happy that you have been present here in large numbers to celebrate this great occasion. the school, which started in 2006, has made great strides, and this is another milestone. You must be surprised to know that the Honorable Minister, Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, has come for the first time to the school, and he was extremely pleased to see the ambience, to see the surroundings, and the location of this great institution, which is imparting education in all fronts to so many students in the rural hinterland. And I wish that this institution will grow from strength to strength in times to come. As you know, we are having Boy Scout, then NCC, then ATL Tinkering Club, and such things will come because the age of mediocrity, as you know, is long over, and you must be very well equipped in science, technology, communication, and the related matters. So we are very happy and proud that this ATL has been inaugurated or going to be inaugurated by no less a person who is also a great son of the soil, Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, who has devoted all the 24 hours for the development of the town, particularly Old Town, and also the areas in the outskirts. He is so popular among the people that whenever you approach him, he will try to solve the problem till the last, and he will never leave you disappointed halfway. He is such a great man that he is determined. If he is determined to do a thing, he will do it. So that is the great quality of the minister, which is very rare, I will not say among others. But I have to say that because I have personally experienced that his promise is like a piece of gold. So I will request him to keep his blessings on in the school so that the school will grow. And as you know, nothing will do. And the age of mediocrity, previously, if you pass IA, BA or MA, that was enough. But that is not enough now. You must be technically very sound. Science, technology, communication, and entrepreneurship, all these things are very essential now if you want to be a good citizen of the country, if you want to build your child, your ward, to be a good citizen, he must be very, very well acquainted with the new programs, the new projects, the new things that are coming, the skilled, unskilled, semi-skilled persons they want to develop, they will develop by these projects. And this is a great scheme, centrally sponsored scheme in the name of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and this is doing very good work. Wherever it has been introduced, our school is fortunate to have it first, and the second school we are going is in the BJM school, and so many schools will come. And by this way, the persons who are devoted to with different trades will have enough opportunity to develop themselves. So I will not stand in between you and the chief guest today. He has a lot of things to you to inform, to inspire, to motivate, and to speak about the things to come in the near future. But dear students, dear teachers who have contributed for the establishment of this great institution, this branch of the school, you have done very well during the last 2 years, particularly the teacher in charge, Miss Panda, Subhashri Panda, Principal, Subhashri Das and others. They have done wonderful work and brought this institution to life, and we are now enjoying it. I will hope that they should continue to do so. They should continue to put extra labor so that this will be number one in the state and also will have name in the national figure, be in the national picture. I thank you very much again. I wish all the teachers Well, so I will request them to cooperate and to see that this project is going to be one of the best in the country. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you so much, sir, for your blessings and kind words. We are very fortunate to have amongst us today Shri Ashok Chandra Panda, Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Public Enterprise, Social Security and Empowerment of People with Disability, Government of Odisha. He had worked for the Doordarshan Kendra for quite a span of time. During his tenure, he was awarded by Asia Vision Organization for first reporting on Baripada fire tragedy and super cyclone in 1999. Also, recipient of CEO Prasar Bharati Award for reporting on super cyclone in 1999. Joined Indian Information Service in 1982, served as Field Publicity Officer under Directorate of Field Publicity, Field Exhibition Officer DAVP, Deputy Director News Doordarshan Kendra Bhubaneswar, Deputy Director Press Information Bureau, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. He had also participated in youth activities in NSS and social service, particularly in eco-environment issues. We are extremely honored to have him amongst us. Now, I would request Shri Ashok Chandra Panda to come up to the dais and deliver a few words to the gathering. Sir, please.
समस्तको नमस्कार शुभेच्छा बीजेपी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल द्वितीय समस्त शिक्षक शिक्षयित्रीवृंद एवं पार्श्ववर्ती अंचलर समस्त गण्यमान्य व्यक्ति एवं मंचरे चेयरमैन सदैव सम्मान्य श्रीयुत रघुनाथ मिश्र सान भाई प्रताप मुझे हिसाब से सबुटी संबोधन करे आज भी से करुच्चे एवं स्कूल अध्यक्षा एवं कोऑर्डिनेटर महोदय ये बीजेपी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल एक अध्यक्ष महोदय एवं वरिष्ठ नागरिक माने कोऑर्डिनेटर वृंद मेंटर मध्य अच्छा ये आम गणरे आउ आदरणीय छात्र छात्री माने जतले प्रताप कहते रघुबाबू कहते मो मनरे भी किछि किछि जिनस आंदोलित होता कौन किभली को विषयटा उल्लेख करी बोली एमती तो अनेक जिनस अच्छी जहाँ कहवाई हुए तो ये समय ना बा प्रासंगिकता ना किंतु एभली किसी जिनस अच्छी जहाँ कहवा मु उचित मन करी एवं प्रासंगिकता अच्छी आज जो आम ये एकाठी होचे अटल टिंकरिंग लैब अटल टिंकरिंग मिशन एटीएम कहले तो आम समस्त अलग आड़िकी चली जाऊ मुझे सुंदरगढ़ मयूरभंज विजु हेल्थ स्मार्ट कार्ड बांटुली लैंग्वेज तो बहुत अलग भाषार ओडिया भाषा किंतु सांताली भाषा थिला हो भाषा थिला आदिवासी लैंग्वेज थिला तेणु मु कहया पूर्व काले मो कथाटा ग्रहणीय हम कि ना से जे ब्लॉक रो चेयरमैन थिले बा पंचायत जिला परिषद मेंबर थिले मु कहते तुम्हें ये स्कीम रो कौन उपादेयता सेटा आपण भाषा कहतु मु भावुँ सेटा भाषा गोटे माध्यम जोटा बेसी ग्रहणीय मो भाषा अपेक्षा तेणु से बड़ी एतरे कागजटी मगेली कोऑर्डिनेटर से दीटी जिनस मो मन को छुई गोटे है जे भगवान समस्त भितर प्रतिभा देइछन्ते ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି। ହୁଏତ କିଏଟି ସେ ପ୍ରତିଭାର ଅଧିକାରୀ ବା ଅଧିକାରିଣୀ ଅଧିକା ହେଇଥାଇପାରନ୍ତି, କାହାର କିଛି କମ୍ ଥାଇପାରେ। ସମସ୍ତେ ଆମେ ଯେମିତି କହୁ ଆମ ଶାସ୍ତ୍ରରେ ଅଛି, ସମସ୍ତେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଅମୃତସ୍ୟ ପୁତ୍ର, ନା କ'ଣ କହୁ? ସମସ୍ତେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଅମୃତର ସନ୍ତାନ। ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ଚାପରେ କିଏ ଭଲ ବା ଖରାପ ହେଇଥାଏ, ତାହେଲେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ହେଲେ ଅମୃତସ୍ୟ ପୁତ୍ର। ସେଇଭଳି ପ୍ରତିଭା ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରତିଭାକୁ ବିକଶିତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ ଯେଉଁଟା କହନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏକ୍ସପୋଜର ବା ଇଟ୍ ସୁଡ୍ ବି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲଏଟେଡ୍, ନଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଡ୍ ସେନ୍ସ, ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲଏଟେସନ୍ ନଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଡ୍ ସେନ୍ସ, ଇଟ୍ ସୁଡ୍ ବି, you should have the exposure and it should properly harnessed and properly utilized. ତେଣୁ ये ପ୍ରତିଭାକୁ ବିକଶିତ କରିବା ଦିଗରେ ଇଏ ଗୋଟିଏ ହେଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ପଦକ୍ଷେପ। ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବି। ଗୋଟିଏ କ୍ଲଜ୍ ଅଛି ତା ଦେହରେ, ଇନକ୍ୟୁବେସନ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟର ଗୋଟିଏ କ୍ଲଜ୍ ଅଛି। ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ କୁହାହେଇଛି ଆବ୍ରିଭେଟେଡ୍ STEM, ସାଇନ୍ସ, ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି, ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ। ଭାରତୀୟ ସମ୍ବିଧାନରେ ଡିରେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ପଲିସି, ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ରାଇଟ୍ସ ଏବଂ ଡିରେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ପଲିସି। ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ରାଇଟ୍ସ ହେଲା ମୌଳିକ ଅଧିକାର, ଡିରେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ପଲିସି ହେଲା ଜଣେ ନାଗରିକର ବା ଦେଶ ବା କ'ଣ କରିପାରିବ, ଏବଂ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଡ୍ୟୁଟିଜ୍ ବି ଅଛି। ପରେ ଆଡ଼୍ ହେଲା, ଆଗରୁ ନଥିଲା, ଆଗେ ପରେ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଡ୍ୟୁଟିଜ୍ ଆଡ଼୍ ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଭାରତୀୟ ସମ୍ବିଧାନରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ରାଇଟ୍ ଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଜିନିଷ ଡିରେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ପଲିସିରେ ଅଛି, ଟୁ ପ୍ରମୋଟ୍ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ୍ ଟେମ୍ପର। ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟ ଏଇ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ିଂ ଅଛି। ଏ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ବା ଏ ବାକ୍ୟଟି ବା ଏ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଯିଏ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ବହୁତ ଭାବିଚିନ୍ତି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। କାରଣ ଆମେ ଏଭଳି ଏକ ଦେଶରେ ଅଛୁ ଯାହାର 5000 ବର୍ଷର ସଭ୍ୟତା, ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଏବଂ ଋଷି ମୁନି ଏବଂ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ପ୍ରତିଭାଧାରୀ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଏ ଭାରତୀୟ ଉପମହାଦେଶ, ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ସବ୍ କଣ୍ଟିନେଣ୍ଟ ଯାହାକୁ କହନ୍ତି, ଇଟ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ଏ କଣ୍ଟିନେଣ୍ଟ ବଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ ସବ୍ କଣ୍ଟିନେଣ୍ଟ, ଯାହାକୁ ଏ ସଭ୍ୟତା ହେଉଛି 5000 ବର୍ଷର ସଭ୍ୟତା, ସିନ୍ଧୁ ସଭ୍ୟତା ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଯାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ। ଏ ସଭ୍ୟତା ବିଶ୍ୱର ଯେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ସଭ୍ୟତା ଅଛି, ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ତା ଭିତରୁ ବହୁତ ଅଗ୍ରଣୀ ସଭ୍ୟତା। ଆମେ କେବଳ ଯେ ଅନ୍ୟ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଆଗେଇଥିଲୁ, ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ କାଳେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଶାସକମାନେ ଆସିଲେ ଏବଂ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଶାସକମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଆସିଲେ 200 ବର୍ଷ ଶାସନ କଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ଅର୍ଥ ନୁହଁ ଯେ ପ୍ରାଚୀନ ଭାରତ ବା ଆନ୍ସିଏଣ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ଆମର ଏ ଦିଗରେ କିଛି ଅବଦାନ ନଥିଲା। ଆମ ଗଣରେ ଆର୍ଯ୍ୟଭଟ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ, ଆମ ଗଣରେ ଚାଣକ୍ୟ ଥିଲେ, ଆମ ଗଣରେ କାଳିଦାସ ଥିଲେ, ମାନେ କହୁଛି ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସର୍ବଭାରତୀୟ ସ୍ତରରେ। ଏବଂ ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆର୍ଯ୍ୟଭଟ୍ଟଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଉପଗ୍ରହ ବି ହେଇଥିଲା। ଅନେକ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ କାଳରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ବରପୁତ୍ର 2 ଖଣ୍ଡ କାଠି ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ ଗ୍ରହ ନକ୍ଷତ୍ରର ଚଳାଚଳକୁ ମାପି ଦେଉଥିଲେ, ସାମନ୍ତ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ପଠାଣି ସାମନ୍ତ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଶେଖର ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ। ତେଣୁ ଏ ଦେଶରେ ଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ କାଳରେ ଆମେ ଯାହା ଆଗେଇ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ତାହା ହେଇପାରିଲାନି, ଯେହେତୁ ଆମ ଦେଶରେ ଉପନିବେଶ ଶାସନ ଚାଲିଲା ଏବଂ ଆମେ 200 ବର୍ଷ ଇଂରେଜମାନଙ୍କ ଶାସନରେ ରହିଲୁ। ତାହା ଅର୍ଥ ଆମର ମୌଳିକତା ଚାଲି ଯାଇନଥିଲା, ଆମର ମୌଳିକତା ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ସୁପ୍ତ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା। କାରଣ ଭାରତରେ ବ୍ରିଟିଶମାନଙ୍କର ଯୋଡ଼ିଏ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଥିଲା। ରଘୁବାବୁ ତ ପ୍ରଶାସନିକ ସେବାରେ ଥିଲେ, 2ଟି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଥିଲା। ଗୋଟିଏ ହେଲା ରାଜସ୍ୱ ଆଦାୟ କରିବା ଆଉ ଲଣ୍ଡନକୁ ବୋହି ନେବା। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟଟି ଥିଲା ପୋଲିସ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥାକୁ ସୁଦୃଢ଼ କରିବା ଏବଂ ପୋଲିସ ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ ଭାରତୀୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦମନ କରିବା। ଏ ଯୋଡ଼ିଏ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ ବୋଲି କିଛି କନସେପ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କର ନଥିଲା, କେବେ ନଥିଲା। 1947 ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଶବ୍ଦ ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କ ଅଭିଧାନରେ ଭାରତର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ବୋଲି କିଛି ନଥିଲା। ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ କାଳରେ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ନେହେରୁଙ୍କ ସମୟରୁ ପଞ୍ଚମ ପଞ୍ଚବାର୍ଷିକ ଯୋଜନା ଏବଂ ଦେଶରେ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଯାହା କଲେ ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁ ଆଟମିକ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଆସିଲା ସ୍ପେସ୍ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ଆଟମିକ୍ ଏନର୍ଜି ହୋମି ଜେ ଭାଭାଙ୍କ ଭଳି ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ବିଜ୍ଞାନୀମାନେ ସିଭି ରମଣ ଏସବୁ ଅନେକ ବିଜ୍ଞାନୀ ଆମର ଏପିଜେ ଅବଦୁଲ କାଲାମ ଆମର ଯିଏ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରପତି ଥିଲେ ଏସବୁ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ନେହେରୁଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ଅବଦାନ ଥିଲା ଯେଉଁ ଭାରତବର୍ଷ ଭିତ୍ତିଭୂମି ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିବାରେ। ତେଣୁ ଅନେକ କରିଛି ସର୍ଦ୍ଦାର ବଲ୍ଲଭ ଭାଇ ପଟେଲ ଦେଶକୁ ମିଶାଇବାରେ ଏସବୁ ହେଇଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ଆମକୁ ଆଉ ଏକ ଆହ୍ୱାନର ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ହେଇଛୁ ଆମେ ଯେ ଆମକୁ ଯଦି ଅନ୍ୟ ଦେଶ ସମକକ୍ଷ ହେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଆମ ଏତେ ବଡ଼ 100 କୋଟିରୁ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଦେଶକୁ ଯଦି ଆଗେଇ ନେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ମାନବ ସମ୍ବଳ। ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ସମ୍ବଳ ହେଉଛି ମାନବ ସମ୍ବଳ। ଆମର ଲୁହାପଥର ଅଛି ବକ୍ସାଇଟ୍ ଅଛି ସେସବୁ ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ସମ୍ବଳ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ମାନବ ସମ୍ବଳ। ଆଜି ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମଟି ଏଠି ହେଉଛି ଏଥିରେ ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟେମ୍ ବୋଲି ଶବ୍ଦଟି ବା ଆବ୍ରିଭେଟେଡ଼ ଏଇଠି ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ବା ଇନକ୍ୟୁବେସନ୍ ଯେ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏହାର ମୂଳ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ସେଇଆ ରହିଛି। ଆମ ଭିତରେ ଯେଉଁ ଆଭିମୁଖ୍ୟ ବା ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଆମର ଇନକ୍ଲାଇନେସନ୍ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କରିବା କଥା ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ମହୋଦୟ କହୁଥିଲେ। ସେଠି ପଛରେ ବସିଥିବା ପିଲାଟା ମନରେ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି କିଭଳି ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଆଗକୁ ଆଣିକି ତା ମନରେ ସେଇଟା ବିକଶିତ କରିପାରିବା ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଆଜିର ମୂଳ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଏହି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମର। ସେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ହେଉ। ମୁଁ ଛୋଟିଆ କଥାଟି କହିବି ମୁଁ ବି ଜଣେ ସାଇନ୍ସ ବିଜ୍ଞାନର ଛାତ୍ର ଥିଲି। ମୁଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ପ୍ରି ପ୍ରଫେସନାଲ୍ ଥିଲା +2 ତ ଆସିନଥିଲା। ମୁଁ ବି 2 ବର୍ଷ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ପଢ଼ିଛି ଡାକ୍ତର ହେବା ପାଇଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଡାକ୍ତର ହେଇପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ ସେ ଅଲଗା ବିଷୟ। ତାପରେ ଘଟଣା ଚକ୍ରରେ ଏଠି ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିଛି। କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋର କହିବାର କଥା ଯେ ବିଜେପି କଲେଜର ଛାତ୍ର ମୁଁ ଥିଲି। ମୋର ନିଜ କଲେଜ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ପ୍ରତାପ ବି ଏ ସବୁ ରଘୁବାବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଏକଦମ ମୁଁ କଲେଜର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ବୋର୍ଡ଼ ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଅଛି ସବୁ ଅଛି ମୋ ନିଜ କଲେଜ। ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ କଥା ସଦାବେଳେ କହୁଛି ସେଇଠି ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏ ବିଭାଗକୁ ଆସିଲି ଟୁରିଜିମ୍ କଲଚର 5 ବର୍ଷ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ସାଇନ୍ସ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ବିଭାଗଟେ ଥିଲା। ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ କଥାଟି କହିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ଏଠି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ବହନ କରୁଛି ଯେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସାଇନ୍ସ ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋର ମୁଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି ଏ ବିଭାଗ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ନେଲା ପରେ ସେଠି ଗୋଟିଏ ପାୱାର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନରେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ତାଙ୍କ ବୋର୍ଡ଼ ଅଫ୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଥିଲା ମୁଁ ବି ଥିଲି ବସି ଦେଖିଲି। ଦେଖିଲା କମେ ପ୍ରସଙ୍ଗ କମେ ସେଠି ଗୋଟିଏ ପାୱାର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ ଆସିଲା ସାଇନ୍ସ ଟୁ ସୋସାଇଟି। ଚମତ୍କାର ଭାବେ ସେ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ଥିଲା ସାଇନ୍ସ ଟୁ ସୋସାଇଟି। ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସାଇନ୍ସ କ'ଣ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଟୁ ସୋସାଇଟି କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏକ୍ସଟେନ୍ସନ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଆମେ ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ଟୁ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ୍ ଆମେ ଶୁଣିଛେ ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ରେଭୁଲେସନ୍ ଶୁଣିଛେ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ରେଭୁଲେସନ୍ ଶୁଣିଛେ ଅପରେସନ୍ ଫ୍ଲଡ୍ ଶୁଣିଛେ ପ୍ରଫେସର କୁରିଆନଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ଲେଖେ ଯିଏ ମାନେ ଅପରେସନ୍ ଫ୍ଲଡ୍ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ କରିଛନ୍ତି MS ସ୍ୱାମୀନାଥନ୍ ଯିଏ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଫୁଡ୍ ମିଶନରେ କାମ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବା ଦେଶରେ ଯେଉଁ ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ରେଭୁଲେସନ୍ କରିବାରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଅବଦାନ ଅଛି ଏହି ସବୁ ହେଲେ ବୈଜ୍ଞାନିକ। କେହି କେହି IAS ଅଫିସର ନଥିଲେ କେହି ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନଥିଲେ ବା କେହି MLA ନଥିଲେ ବଟ୍ ଦେ ୱର୍ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ। ସେମାନେ ଦେଶରେ ବୈପ୍ଳବିକ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ରେଭୁଲେସନ୍ ପ୍ରଫେସର କୁରିଆନ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ରେଭୁଲେସନ୍ ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ ଅମୁଲ ଡାଏରୀ ତାଙ୍କରି। ତେଣୁ ଏସବୁ ବିଜ୍ଞାନୀମାନେ ହୋମି ଜେ ଭାଭା ଯେଉଁ ଟାଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ଆଟମିକ୍ ଏନର୍ଜି ସମସ୍ତେ ଏମାନେ କେହି ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ MLA ନଥିଲେ ବା ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନଥିଲେ ସବୁ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି ସେଠି 3 ଜଣ ଭାରତ ରତ୍ନ ଥିଲେ 100 ବର୍ଷରୁ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ପୁରୁଣା ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଦେଶର ନଟ୍ ୱାନ୍ ୱାର୍ଲଡର ବୋଧେ 3rd କି 4th କି 5th ହେବ। ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ ପ୍ରିମିୟର ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍। ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଶବ୍ଦ ପଚାରିଲି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦିସ୍ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଟୁ ସୋସାଇଟି ଇଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମାନେ ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ରେଭୁଲେସନ୍ ନା ଆମେ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି କାଉନସିଲ୍ରୁ କିଛି ଅର୍ଥ ପାଉ ଆମର କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକର ଗଣିତ ଆଉ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅପଡ଼େଟ୍ କରି ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ନଲେଜ୍ ଅପଡ଼େଟ୍ କରି ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ आमे ये कार्य कमिटी नौ बा सेमाने साहाय्य करते आम करूँ इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस बेंगलोर एंटायर कर्णाटक रे मैथ एंड साइंस टीचर मानकर प्रति वर्ष समर वैकेशन दिए से करती मत एने प्रताप कहते ये जो रूपांतरीकरण कथा कहले 5T केवल सुंदर बिल्डिंग करदे हम ना सुंदर बिल्डिंग करदे हम सुंदर प्रकोष्ठ सहित शिक्षक मानकर आभिमुख्य फिर लिखा है इट इज नॉट योर एप्टीट्यूड बट योर एटीट्यूड लिखा है ऊपर से परिवर्तन आवश्यकता रही आम शिक्षक बा शिक्षयित्री मानकर जो नॉलेज बेस आहरी अपडेट करने को अच्छे प्रतिदिन विज्ञान एभली एक विषय प्रति क्षेत्र में बदलुची प्रति क्षेत्र में बदलुची जमी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप रे आपण कंटिन्यूअसली पाँच एटू आसला सेमती आउ कंटेंट आहरी गोटे सब्जेक्ट कंटेंट इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट से हवा दरकार ये दुईटी हेले भल हम नॉलेज बेस आसो ना हेनी आम विज्ञान परीक्षागार बीएमआई स्कूल कौन थी मुझे भी मन पकाऊँगी कहीं 70 मसीहा पूर्वर मोर मन पड़े कि बिक कि टेस्ट ट्यूब कि ये तांकर भी से थी आम से देखीचु आउट देखना मुझे जो कहली से सागे सागे राजी हो गले कहले आपण आम निर्दिष्ट प्रस्ताव दबू आसबू एवं तांकर टीम भी पठेले प्रोफेसर हेगड़े आसिले बहुत सरकारी स्कूल को गले करके गोटे करिकुलम प्रिपेयर कले हे फाइनल है एमओयू है मो डिपार्टमेंट रो आउ इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस भितर प्रथम थर करी कोरोना आम 2 वर्ष आम अस्तव्यस्त हो गलु जहाँ प्रताप कहते बहुत शिक्षा व्यवस्था मध्य एपट चपट होगला से माने राजी हेले एबे 7 तारिख दिन से माने बेंगलोर समस्ते जाउछन्दी 114 जन मैथमेटिक्स आउ साइंस टीचर जे इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस की जाउछन्दी 18 तारिख पर्यंत 8 रु 18 तारिख पर्यंत से माने सेठी ओरिएंटेशन बा रिफ्रेशन आप जो शब्द व्यवहार कर से करेंगे यहाँ फास्ट बैच चलना तापर वैकेशन आम ए टाइम आम करूना जेहेतु यहाँ हो पार नाला बोली ये टाइम आम पठेलु तेणु 114 जन जाऊँगी मु भी जाऊँगी जीवार अच्छे बेंगलोर तांकर एनकरेज करने डायरेक्टर सहित रही तेणु बड़ कथा है से कंटेंट एंड टीचर्स नॉलेज बेस नहले किसी हम ना द्वितीयटी ये गोटे कार्यक्रम यार समस्त खर्च साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी विभाग बहन करुच्ची एवं टाटा फाउंडेशन आम सहित से माने ऑपरेशन करुछन्ति फैसिलिटेट करुछन्ति से बड़ी यंग एस्ट्रोनॉट्स टैलेंट सर्च एड्स आमर प्रोग्राम अच्छे प्रतिवर्ष आम 20 जन पिला स्कूल आम करूँ इसरो को पठाऊ सीएम से व्यक्तिगत भाव से पिला भेटती प्रतिवर्ष एवर्ष आम चिंता करूँ 10-30 करी मुख्यमंत्री भी ताको अनुमोदन कर प्रथम 10 जन को आम नेशनल एस्ट्रो नासा को पठेबू अमेरिकार नासा को सेठी प्रथम 10 जन को हाँ तेणु से अंतत पक्षे से एंटायर खर्च राज्य सरकार बंद करेंगे एवं टाटा फाउंडेशन मध्य तार व्यवस्था करिवो माने लॉजिस्टिक पार्टा एवं ओडिया सोसाइटी ऑफ अमेरिका को तांको अनुरोध करछि से माने फैसिलिटेट करेंगे अमेरिका एंड से आम करने जाऊँ बहुत खूब शीघ्र मोर कहर कथा है जो इनक्यूबेशन सेंटर जिनसटी बर्तमान एबे सेठी सबुठु बेसी फोकस सबुठी आपन जानी खुशी हे जे जिते गुड़े यूनिवर्सिटी अच्छी आमरी डिपार्टमेंट रु इनक्यूबेशन सेंटर पाई विशेषकर बायोटेक क्षेत्र में बायोटेक गोटे एभली एक विषय आसूची जहाँ परिवर्तन प्रति रोचे एवं तार सामाजिक अवदान बहुत बायोटेक क्षेत्र में जैव प्रजुक्ति विज्ञान क्षेत्र में सामाजिक अवदान बहुत रही सी एभली एक क्षेत्र जोटा ताको विकास पथर नबार अच्छे से आम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लाइफ साइंस रे आम इनक्यूबेशन सेंटर करने 2 कोटी देचु आम ओईटी रे देचु एबे बर्तमान जिते यूनिवर्सिटी गुड़ाक आम मो तरफ फंडिंग होउछि बर्तमान आम परवर्ती काले स्कूल आड़िकी जाऊँ डिसीजन है आम जीवु एवं ये जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्कूल बोधे से जोड़ी हम से तेणु ये है गोटे कथा एवं विशेष करी जो अंधारुआ पाखे भारत बायोटेक तरफ मो डिपार्टमेंट होकरी कोवैक्सीन 2022 जून मसरे एठू रोल आउट हवा जाऊँ 2022 जून रे भारत बायोटेक तार कोवैक्सीन रोल आउट करिबा एठी हमर ये इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स पाखे एवं केवल सेतिक नुहे एक कोवैक्सीन छड़ा अन्य जो वैक्सीन अच्छी से रोल आउट हम ये है द्वितीय कथाटी तेणु बायोटेक है इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर इज बायोटेक यहाँ समस्ते बुझा उचित आम पिलामानंकर से दिगरे आग्रह रहा उचित बायोटेक एते भास्ट सेक्टर जहाँकि लिंकेज अच्छी तार बहुत सेक्टर द्वितीय कथाटी है आम जो इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स अच्छी ताको आम अपग्रेड करुचु टू एन यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल को ताको नबु इंस्टीट्यूट और रही इट विल बी एन इंडिपेंडेंट यूनिवर्सिटी नॉट अंडर द उत्कल यूनिवर्सिटी ता राज्यर 30 जिले में सबुटी साइंस फेयर एवं आउ 6टी प्लानेटोरियम हवा को जाऊँ चली कम चलती आम पिला खुशीर खबर दूसरी चीफ मिनिस्टर हैज सैंक्शन approved 20 crores for upgrading, updating the Pathani Saman Planetarium. It will be 3D structure how jauch. Very shortly he has approved the so that हमें एवं सिख जिन फेरी जाऊँगी again content, again knowledge base. आम हूँ तो पछरे रही जाइचु ताकू आउ टिके अपडेट करने लगुच जड़े आपण मैंने समस्त जानते प्रभात पुरुष बिजू बाबू कौन करते कलिंग पुरस्कार करते जोटा परवर्ती काल में होगला यूनेस्को कलिंग पुरस्कार इट इज एवरी 2 years ए लीडिंग साइंटिस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज सिलेक्टेड एंड अवार्डेड सेटा यूनेस्को एवं मैनेज करुच्ची कलिंग फाउंडेशन आग देता पैसा से बर्तमान यूनेस्को कलिंग फाउंडेशन होकर जाऊँगी 2 वर्ष तले 19 पूर्व बोधे 19 टिके एरिक जाकुमिन बोली एरिक जाकुमिन बेल्जियम रो साइंटिस्ट सी आसते ही वाज द रिसिपिएंट ऑफ द कलिंग पुरस्कार ही इज ए जायंट इन द फील्ड ऑफ साइंस पार्क एंड प्लानेटोरियम entire Scandinavian countries, Europe, he is a name. से मु आम प्लानेटोरियम जाइए आमर जो साइंस पार्क अच्छे आचार्य बिहार रे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ताको देखा जाई आसिकल मिस्टर पंडा दैट साइंस पार्क इज आउटडेटेड प्लीज अपडेट इट प्लीज इम्प्रूव इट इवन आई कैन कम डाउन आई कैन हेल्प यू 30टा साइंस पार्क जो करने को जाऊँच you can keep me in your panel. I will not charge a pie. Neither I will take airfare nor I will take hospitality, but I will come down and help you. He is a name. He is a name in the world. He has such a big foundation, big institute. मत डाकी जावाई अलमोस्ट सब ठीक होता एटलिस्ट प्राय 7-8टा कंट्री थी ना अच्छी लास्ट लंडन वर्क थी किंतु जापारूँ बिकज ऑफ द कोविड सिचुएशन तेणु जी कि जहाँ विश्व जहाँ कथा कहले आइंस्टाइन टू आरंभ करी न्यूटन को टू आरंभ करी स्टीवेनसन को टू आरंभ करी एम समस्त विज्ञानी थे आज आम जहाँ कि सुविधा नौचे फ्लाइट रे हो जल जहाज हो टीकाकरण क्षेत्र हो समस्त विज्ञान टीकाकरण एडवर्ड जेनर करते जो स्मॉल पॉक्स ये समस्ते थे साइंटिस्ट कहीं मंत्री एमएलए नथिले तांको कंट्रीब्यूशन इज फार रिचिंग इट क्रॉसेस सेंचुरीज इट क्रॉसेस जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन इट्स ए फार रिचिंग इम्पैक्ट ये इम्पैक्ट आउ कहार ना ये इम्पैक्ट आउ कहार ना आम मान ना आम आज अच्छु कल चल जाऊ नो बडी विल रिमेम्बर्स बट what you do leave your footsteps for the future for the posterity एमती पाद चिन्ह छाड़ी जातु अंततपक्षे आगामी पीढ़ी खुशी हे जे जाए अंततपक्षे किए जड़े थिला ना पचे मनरू ये लोकटी ये कम करके जाइला मु आम गांधी सेंटर करूँ गांधी शांति केन्द्र प्रताप देखते से द 5 पर्सनालिटीज ऑफ वर्ल्ड हु वर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय गांधीयन थॉट and one of them was Einstein. आमे सेमानंकर सब रखीचु टस्केन बराक ओबामा नेल्सन मंडेला डेस्मंड टुटू अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन जो माने एंड वन ऑफ देम वाज ए वेरी रेपुटेड साइंटिस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एमान तो सब पॉलिटिकल लीडर थे तेणु सदा बेले शिक्षा गोटे एभली व्यवस्था शिक्षा है वार्तावह शिक्षा साइलेंट रेवुलेशन जो कहती मनीष को आपन जदि पुंजी विनियोग करुच ताले सेठी ही पुंजी विनियोग कर ताले भल मनीष हो बोली सार मैंने आमर कहती आगे सार मैंने आम कौन कहते रघु भल मनुष्यटे आउ कई कह कि कहते इंजीनियर डाक्तर हवा कथा छाड़ते पर भल मनुष्यटे हो मोर एवं मन अच्छे से भूल नथिले से ठीक जानी जे सोसाइटी बचो बा समाज बचो जदि भल मनुष्यटे हम ना सामाजिक स्तर रे जो अशांत वातावरण हम निश्चित से सामाजिक स्थिति की दोहल दब तेणु आज ये जो मु खुशी जे एतरे जो रखी इनक्यूबेशन सेंटर स्टेम कार्यक्रम करने एवं बड़ कथा हूँ जो माने अनरिचेबल जो मान पाखे अच्छी टैलेंट अच्छी तांकु टैलेंट को एक्सपोज करने विकसित करने फैसिलिटेट करिवो ए कार्यक्रम अंडरटेकिंग मिशन द मिशन इज दैट इट इज इन ए मिशनरी मोड एत गवर्नमेंट स्कूल अच्छी प्राइवेट स्कूल अच्छी लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट बोर्ड अच्छी तेणु मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक जो निष्पत्ति नहीं रूपांतरित स्कूल क्षेत्र में ताकू आहरी अधिक शक्तिशाली करने कारण नहीं गले निष्पत्ति इंजीनियरिंग और मेडिकल रही सरकारी स्कूल रे बर्तमान रिवर्स फ्लो इज रिवर्स बर्तमान सरकारी स्कूल रे उपस्थान बढ़ुची बहुत बढ़ला तेणु किंतु आमर कमिटमेंट किसी कमिटमेंट बरगढ़ हाई स्कूल मोर कमिटमेंट मो निज स्कूल बीएम हाई स्कूल मो स्कूल अभियान में से चली मो कॉलेज अभियान में चलती तेणु जे जाइछन्ति सेठू तांकर अवदान जे आसुछन्ति पाद चिन्ह छाड़ी धन्यवाद मु बहुत खुशी मत कहले जिते ये अंचल एति पानी रे आसिक नड़िया बाड़ी थे आज ये देखला को तो भाभी मुझे आसनी ये सदा मैडम को स्कूल को जाइए तेणु मु बहुत खुशी मुझे आज प्रथम थर आसिली आसु आसु देखिली पड़ियाटा सुंदर होती कारण पड़ियाटा निश्चित भाव खेल कूद कसरत पिला दरकार ना खाली क्लासरूम रे बसिकी एत लिखाई माने ओनली बुक्स थियोरीज कंटेंट लोक विरक्त हो इट शुड हाव वी शुड हाव एक्सपोजर थ्रू दिस लैबोरेटरीज धन्यवाद अच्छा माल्यवंता बालीपाटना प्रताप कहते 50% अच्छे आहुरी खुशी हे जानते जो रास्त आप जातीय जनक महात्मा गांधी ये रास्त जाते 8 थर ओडिशा को आसते यही रास्त जाते जो तांकर आम मूर्ति है म्यूजियम टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट थिला मुझे पैसा हवा जाऊँगी मु प्रताप गोटे प्रस्ताव देती जदि इनागुरेसन हुए आड़ू प्रस्ताव दिजा उचित जे विजय इंग्लिश मीडियम 2 ताको मेंटेन कर କାରଣ ଏହାର ଐତିହାସିକ ପୃଷ୍ଠଭୂମି ଅଛି। ହରିଜନ ପ୍ରବେଶ ଯେଉଁ ମନ୍ଦିରରେ କରିଥିଲେ ଗାନ୍ଧୀଜୀ, ଗାନ୍ଧୀଜୀଙ୍କ ତିନିଟା ମିଶନ୍ ଥିଲା ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ। ଗୋଟେ ରାଜନୈତିକ ଥିଲା, କାଠଯୋଡ଼ି ବାଲିରେ ମିଟିଂ କରିଥିଲେ। ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା ହରିଜନ ପ୍ରବେଶ, ଥାର୍ଡ଼ଟା ଥିଲା ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛସେବୀଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ। ଏ ରାସ୍ତାର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ। ତେଣୁ ନିକୁଞ୍ଜ ବିହାରୀ ବାଲିଅନ୍ତା ପିଠରେ କରିଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ସଦାବେଳେ ମନେ ରଖିଏ। ଫାଦର ଅଫ୍ ଦ ନେସନ୍ ଙ୍କ ଭାଷାରେ, କାହା ଭାଷାରେ? ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚିଲଙ୍କ ଭାଷାରେ, ଦି ଦେନ୍ ପ୍ରାଇମ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ଅଫ୍ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ, the naked fakir. That naked fakir, what did he do? They always boast in British Empire, sun never sets. In English Empire or British Empire, sun never sets. माने ब्रिटिश औपनिवेशवाद कौन सूर्य अस्त जाती ना ओडिया बट द नेकेड फकीर ensured that imperialism, British Raj in India ends, and it ended. सही लोकटी एटी यही रास्ता रे सेटा मन रखा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Bhaina. We both the BGM schools always they believe in going beyond the campus. We are never confined to the campus. Maybe plantation, maybe community teaching, maybe teaching in the slum. So we go beyond the campus. We gladly accept this offer, great offer. We will feel proud and privileged to maintain that. The ambience of that Gandhi statue just across the river, just near the bridge. We will maintain the greenery, its ambience. We gladly accept it. Thank you. Again.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspirational, motivational words. Now I would like to invite Dr. Subhashri Das, PGT English, to take over the further proceedings of the event.
Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I welcome you all the dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Minister Shri Ashok Chandra Panda, esteemed Chairman Sir Shri Raghunath Mishra, esteemed Manager Sir Shri Pratap Kumar Jaina, our respected Principal Ma'am Mrs. Khenika Das, and IATL Coordinator Ms. Subhashri Panda, all the senior SMZ members of the dais, Principal and Vice Principal of BJM, Ms. Sandhya Jaina and Mrs. Pallavi Mahapatra, and my loving students and dear colleagues present over here. Now we are moving on a new session of this platform where I would like to start with the words quoted by our Honorable Minister of Transformation. The practical experiments and the transformation and upgrading the content and the knowledge base of the teachers. Really, we have come to that level, sir, that we are feeling proud enough to move on with our inaugural session with our felicitation journey. The journey begins with the brand ambassador of the ATL lab of BJMS2. BJMS2 Atal Tinkering Lab got its name, fame and recognition when the classroom theories worked out in a more restructured form in the replica of the brand ambassador. Now I would request all the dignitaries to come off the dais to start off the felicitation program. Dignitaries, please. The BJMS2 fraternity redeem a great privilege to announce the name of Raseshwari Naik, who has been declared as the BJMS2 brand ambassador of ATL. Raseshwari Naik, please come over here. I would request the parents of Raseshwari Naik to please come over here. Parents, please, if you are over here present in the session. Parents, please. It's really indeed a great privilege. For the first time in the history of BJMS2, we are giving a brand ambassador of ATL. All the teachers are feeling proud to being felicitated in the hands of Shri Honorable Minister Shri Ashok Chandra Panda and all the dignitaries. Thank you, sir. you, Raseshwari, the parents of Raseshwari. Moving on, we are going to have a second round, that is Certificate of Appreciation as a Progressive Educator for selfless and exemplary contribution towards enabling and driving holistic development among school students through participation in National All-Rounder Championship 2021, conceptualized and organized by KIDEX Strategic Guidance by Niti Aayog and Atal Innovation Mission. So over here I request our principal ma'am to take this honor to being be felicited by our Honorable Minister Shri Ashok Chandra Panda. I request she would be followed by ATL Coordinator Ms. Subhashri Panda. We are over here having a team of teachers, so please I request ma'am to first start over. Mrs. Kanika Das, Principal of Vijay Miss 2. Ma'am, please. This is a team effort. The team effort has been led by Principal ma'am. So ma'am, please. The team followed by Mrs. Kanika Das. Moving on to Ms. Subhashri Panda, ATL Coordinator. Then I'd request Mrs. Namita Mahanti and Mrs. Namita Patel. Mrs. Namita Mahanti and Mrs. Namita Patel. Followed by now Mrs. Namita Patel is over here. Moving on with Mrs. Adyasha Satpathy and Mr. Amiya Kumar Behera. Ma'am and sir, please. Mrs. Adyasha Satpathy, Mr. Amiya Kumar Behera. Now I request Mrs. Kumkum Bishwal and Mr. Purnachandra Parida. Mrs. Kumkum Bishwal and Mr. Purnachandra Parida, please. Mrs. Kumkum Bishwal. Ms. Shridevi Padhi and Mrs. Madhuwala Agarwal. Ms. Shridevi Padhi and Mrs. Madhuwala Agarwal. Really, it was a great team led by Mrs. Kanika Das. All thanks go to the ATL team and the club members. Now we are moving on with a special award. BJMS 2 is awarded as Cyber Smart School under Atal Innovations Mission and Niti Aayog. It is a national cyber certified organized by WNSKS Foundation in association with AIIM and Niti Aayog. This goes to again our school head, Mrs. Kanika Das, Principal of BJMS 2. Really, it feels a proud and privileged moment for all the BJM 2 fraternity. I think the clap should go on. Special Award under Top 100 National School rank, BJMS 2 Satyabhamapur receives National All-Rounder Championship Summer 2021. Again, this award goes to the school team, Principal Mrs. Kenika Das. Thank you all the dignitaries for your valuable moment to grace the occasion and felicitate all the winners. Thank you all. Moving on to Jankana Anand.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are extremely proud to have with us our Tech-B trainer, Mr. Mukesh Devangan. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time and training our children. I would request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly felicitate Mr. Devangan. Mr. Mukesh Devangan, please. We are very thankful to our chief guest, Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, for taking out his valuable time from his busy schedule to come all the way to grace today's occasion. With a deep sense of gratitude, we request you to accept a small token of love from the BJEMS2 family. I would request our esteemed dignitaries to felicitate our chief guest, sir.
Thank you all. Now I would request our dignitaries to kindly grace their seats. Now I would request Mrs. Anushya Pothal, Administrative Supervisor, Day Shift, to propose the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
A very good afternoon to one and all present over here. Enjoy the little things for one day. You may look back and realize they are the big things. On this note, I, Anushya Pothal, would like to extend my heartiest and deepest gratitude to each and every one present over here. To begin with, I bow my head to the Almighty by whose grace I am standing before you to show my gratitude. Then I would like to pay my heartfelt thankfulness to our chief guest, Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, for sparing their valuable and precious time by coming all the way to bless our school. I would next like to extend my warm thanks to our Honorable Chairman Sir, Sri Raghunath Mishra. Sir, keep blessing us always. We always seek your precious blessing. We will always be indebted to our revered manager, Sir, Sri Pratap Kumar Jaina, a very inspiring personality, and lot to learn from you, sir. Thank you from the core of our heart that you came to grace this occasion. Thank you so much to our respected senior SMC members. I also heartfelt thankfulness to all the members who are present over here. Heartiest thanks to the heart and soul of our school, our dear Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Khanika Das, and I also extend my heartfelt thankfulness to BJM's Principal Ma'am, Ms. Sandhya Jaina, and to Vice Principal Ma'am, Ms. Pallavi Mahapatra. I also extend my sincere thanks to the Advisory Committee, Mr. Devi Prasanna Acharya. A big thanks to Mr. Tanmay Kumar Jaina, who is constantly supporting us. A big thanks to Ms. Subhashri Panda, our ATL coordinator. Without her endless effort, our today's program would not have been successful. My heartfelt thanks to all the teaching, non-teaching, technical and administrative staff, our esteemed BGM School 2 members. I extend my sincere thanks to all the supporting staff who worked day and night for today's big day. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank all my dear students from our school and from the other schools who have came here, who will be learning and also inspiring the other students from the community to make some innovative projects and all. For your hard work and your given time, I also thank you to each and every one. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Go, class, go!
ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ದೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
Hey boys, give it to her. She'll do. You explain her. You explain her. Today, whatever you are developing, tomorrow you need to explain that. If your groups are changed, who have developed, you can go back to your group. But the learners, those who are here from other school, you can join with the same project, whatever has been assigned to you by the method teacher.
आप उनको बताते हैं कौन सवाल कहाँ करेक्ट करना है, वो खुद करेंगे, ठीक है। वो सेंसर का नाम क्या है, उस सेंसर को हम क्यों उसके बाद इसको लगा इसके साइड में
ଜିନିଷ ହିଁ ଆମେ ସବୁ କରୁଛୁ, ଜିନିଷ ହିଁ ଆମେ ସବୁ କରୁଛୁ।
कंपाइल हो गया, अभी हमारा चेक सही है, सही